What's up, TikTok from the engine room? Need to close that door. It's kind of warm out there. I need to fix that door. Tonight I'm prepping the 305 to start. It may not start tonight, but it will start tomorrow. It's got the starter on down there. I don't know if you can see it. If you can, you can. If you can't, you can't. We're gonna tear the 350 on down. I might try to take the crank out of it. I'm not sure. Already got the flywheel on the 305. Got the carburetor on it. Got the distributor cap latch down. Done run the firing order on it. Harmonic balancers on. Anyway, I just need a victory. And hearing this engine crank up would be a victory. Probably gonna smoke like a beast, but that's because I put a lot of shit in the cylinders. I've got the engine hooked up to a battery. I've done a video for my YouTube for this, so let's see what oil pressure we get. £40 just on crank. I'll take it. All new seals, front, back, oil pan, everything. We'll fire this bitch off tomorrow. All I gotta do is put power to the distributor and gas to the carburetor. Yes, sir. On to the 350. I'm gonna finish pounding the pistons. Alright guys, I found my punch. Fixing to start numbering pistons. I'm gonna put them away, which it really don't fucking matter at this point because I'm gonna get flat tops probably. Not guaranteed, probably. I'm gonna pop these other three out. And then I'm probably gonna take the crank out. Y'all stay tuned now. You hear? Alright, TikTok. As you can see, I done moved away from the 305 to the 350. Got the crank out of it. Main bearings look pretty decent. And then you get to this guy. This guy was about to spin. That one right there is tight, and the thrust bearing is tight. Here's the other half of that bearing. I just don't understand why this bearing looks so bad when this is the first one that's old, then this one, then that one, then that one, then that one. The rod bearings made sense. This one was bad, this one was bad, this one was bad, this one's alright. So, anomaly.
You got something to say?
Guys, I just did a whole bunch of videos, a whole bunch of footage, and some stupid ass deleted it because it appeared that it was already backed up to Google.
Guess who deleted it? That goddamn grizzly bear.
It wasn't. So the very first run of this motor was on Daddy's phone, and the mic was turned off. So we'll have that footage, but
you can see the motor running because it was vibrating. It wasn't doing it.
No sound, and we're gonna try and get it to go again. The rings are trying to expand out on it.
They finally doing it. They finally doing their job. Let me get my shit over here, while I won't get burnt all the foot.
Stop now. I'm starting. Do you got my power wire?
Yeah, I got the power wire in. Let's try. It's got about 60 pounds of oil. Just turn it over. Hold on there. No gas. No gas.
Well, you didn't fill it up then. Just the throttle.
Lucky 13.
Well, next time...
Still ain't got no fucking gas going to it.
Starting to kill the battery again.
Still ain't got no gas going to it.
I don't know why you pulled the timing backwards.
What the fuck? Yeah, hold that. Wait a minute. Just hold that.
And the battery's done.
Fuck.
This was supposed to be a victory. It's turning into an aggravation.
About 80 pounds.
So the coil was bad.
Alright.
The coil was fucking
Hold
bad.
that right there. Hold that right there. Look, oh, leave it plugged up. Hold that right there.
The fucking coil. We need to get a fucking clamp for that and just run this motherfucker. Alright, we're fixing to start.
Okay. Oh, no. We got to have a clamp.
I told you, motherfucker.
Get a rag, wipe that off real quick.
I don't know where it went.
Right there, get that blue rag.
It don't soak shit up. It's not that kind of cloth. Alright. Hang on, don't...
No, I can do it. Yeah, 60 pounds, right? Good 62 pounds.
And there ain't no oil pouring out of it, or is it?
The oil.
No?
Alright, it's ready to go in the S10 then. We'll get that poured running.
I feel good. I feel good.
We'll get that poured running and, you know, we'll get the top end of that poured put together and everything.
You gotta be careful because there's a hole right here shooting fire at you.
Yeah, alright, I got you.
Keep this damn plug wire from getting burned up. Oh, that was close. Why you got the Mustang running?
We got the big battery in it.
You ready?
Yeah. Looks like around smooth, boy. That motherfucker runs smooth.
Run good, ain't no doubt. Now let's see how easy it starts up without you hitting the gas.
Do it, do it. Almost 70. Alright, cut it off. Everything's gonna be sealed on it again. Don't want to run hot, make it run hot. There you go.
That actually surprised me.
Good deal.
Alright, let's do one more for TikTok.
Alright.
We gotta go to TikTok.
Yeah. Check this out. Beautiful. Done bend this bolt over here. Done bend that bolt. Mobile ain't quite that long.
No, the carburetor's so big for it.
Hello, brother. 170. Still going, still going. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The goddamn grizzly bear did it again. 3, 2, 1. 60 seconds up.